Hello everyone, I'm Mike Chen, Storage Product Manager at Alibaba Cloud. Today I'm very excited to share with you a few updates about our object storage product OSS. Let's start by looking at what is happening in the market. Today, all companies are talking about digital transformation. In essence, the key to a successful digital transformation is about how well you can leverage your data. The Inside Big Data by IDC tells us that business data continue to grow rapidly. Machine data is growing 50 times faster, and human data is growing 10 times faster. Out of all the data generated, 80% of the data is unstructured, such as medical records, social media, business documents, and media files. Therefore, in preparation for the future, businesses are starting to look for durable, scalable, and cost-effective data solutions. Today I'm going to tell you how we are solving this problem and bring you a couple of our exciting announcements. Alibaba Cloud Object Storage Service is the natural choice for unstructured data, and here's why. OSS is a managed service with unlimited capacity. Your unstructured data are modeled as objects and grouped into buckets for management. It uses standard REST API, and the developer can program against its service very easily. The service also offers strong consistency and has up to 12 nines durability and 99.995% availability. The common workloads for OSS are content distribution, backup and archive, data lake, and content sharing. In these scenarios, there are a few features that make OSS an attractive and unique offering in the market. OSS integrates with CDN products to deliver reliable, scalable, flexible, and cost-effective content distribution solutions. OSS backdoor engine feature would allow automatic retrieve of data from a secondary source such as another object storage when the requested object was not found in your OSS bucket. By leveraging Alibaba Cloud Object Storage Service, customers can build a flexible, highly scalable, and cost-optimized CDN solution. Backup and archive is probably the most common scenario. OSS supports 4 tiers of storage and a lifecycle policy for cost optimization. It also supports warm and BYOK encryption for compliance and security. Not only do we see massive data growth, the increase in variety of data generated by multiple sources, but also increased number of data analysis engines. Data Lake solution enables one dataset serving multiple analytic engines. Alibaba Cloud OSS is tightly integrated with multiple compute engines such as Hadoop ecosystem, eMapReduce, Data Lake Analytics, and Max Compute. Another popular scenario is content sharing. In this scenario, a user may upload photos, videos, or do live streaming and share with others. With transfer acceleration, OSS will redirect your request to an optimal access point and leverage our backbone network to speed up download and upload. With media processing, you just need to store your high-resolution image in OSS, and when you retrieve it, you can use OSS API to resize, rotate, add watermark, etc. One other thing I would like to mention is append upload. Traditionally with object storage, once an object is uploaded, it cannot be modified. This is inconvenient in live video streaming scenarios. You have to split a video into smaller parts and upload them as new objects. The complex business logic makes it hard to manage your code and manage small objects. To simplify the scenario, OSS allows you to append the content directly to the end of an object. We also support RTMP stream ingestion, so you can store your live stream directly to OSS using standard protocol. All these media processing features have a lot of advantages as it offloads many computing tasks directly to the storage layer. All these characteristics makes OSS a great fit for unstructured data. However, object storage service in general also introduce some challenges. The first challenge we hear about is that as my data size grows, my cost is linear with the capacity. Maybe only 20% of data are hot, but I need to store all the data for much longer time. Another feedback we hear from customers is that object storage in general has many billable items. Items such as API request or egress can be hardly predictable. Traffic may vary from month to month, and if I write a bad program, it may generate lots of API requests, which can lead to unexpected bill. We're doing a set of action to address these challenges. Use standard tier for your hot data and use infrequent access tier for optimization. If you need to archive your data, you can choose archive or cold archive. Our archive tier offers retrieval time within 1 minute, while it takes minutes to hours with our competitors. For cold archive, the retrieval time is within an hour, while it takes 12 hours to 48 hours with our competitors. And we are able to offer this at the same price with our technologies. If you make full use of different tiers, you may save your capacity costs by 50 to 80%. Now it comes to the exciting part. As we continue our investment in cloud infrastructure and expand our scale, we are able to offer our product at a lower price. Today, we're happy to announce a massive price reduction in all our global regions. After the price reduction, our price is lower than major competitors in all global regions. It is lower by up to 20% in selected regions. To address the concerns of other fees, I'm also announcing a few more updates. We're raising free internet egress from 5 GB to 100 GB, and our free read API request from 100 millions to 500 millions. One other challenge with CDN is the object storage egress to CDN cost. Depending on the CDN cache miss ratio, the egress fee could be quite significant and also unpredictable. OSS not only waived the egress cost to Alibaba Cloud CDN, but also waived the egress cost to Cloudflare as part of the Bandwidth Alliance program. If you look at other vendors, our limits are very generous. We hope this can reduce the concern of unpredictable cost. Last but not the least, I'm also announcing a 3-month promotion to help you to get started with object storage service. The package starts from 100 GB to 10 TB. One unique thing about this package is that when you buy capacity, a corresponding egress package is included. For the 100 GB plan, it comes with 100 GB egress on top of the free quota, and it's only $9.9, which is less than 50 cents a month. The 1 TB package sells at $239 and comes with 300 GB egress, and the 10 TB package sells at $2,399 and comes with 2 TB egress. These are great deals for companies who would like to start their journey on the cloud. Take the 10 TB plan for example. It is just 1/10 of the competitor price. It has never been easier to get started. This price reduction and our promotion offer are available now. Please scan or visit our webpage. And just a recap of what we talked about today, OSS is a great choice for unstructured data. And with our global price reduction, higher quota of free egress and API requests, and our promotion offer, I hope you can leverage Alibaba Object Storage Service in your next move on storage. Thank you very much.